My country people, some ladies are not meant to be mothers because the one wey me bring am for una today about this fine lady una dey see for una screen like this, e go take shocktalize all of una, make una grab una seat, take seat very well because dem say no be everything we take glitter na be gold. We don dey think say na joke, but this one na clear example as per wetin this fine lady una dey see for una screen like that take do for 10-year-old pikin. But before we want to talk about that, hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel K&J TV for another celebrity news and social media wahala. If not the first time this way you stop for this channel or you come across my YouTube video, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. May God bless you as you search in. So my people, this video na 2-in-1. Another matter we go talk about and about this our brother on the see for screen like this. My people, when they say your hand is scratch, as in your hand no come dey sit one place, you can't dey collect waiting no be your own. Now this man like this one they see for the screen, na him be expert in the affair. But before we want to talk about some, because you don't come out, my people, we go talk about this lady one. I don't yell, I don't fit talk about her like that. My people, they say appearance take the deceive people. A lot of people not they believe. Now this lady one they see like this. Now you don't make me understand. Say true appearance ne it can't they deceive a lot of people. May you not read a book, like make you not judge a book by its cover, because this beautiful lady now they see na satanic heart she gets. I be very sorry for the kind words I take they use, but me never get any better description for take give this woman. Now when I go the wonder say why I take the talk this kind matter. When I see this lady way day like this, my people, she has a herb of 10 years. She gets mine, my people, to take boil water, come add pepper on top. As in boiled pepperish water, it can't give that child, make the child can't drink her, my people. It can't run for that child body upon say the child do waiting. Now one structuralize all of us because now plate. My people, common plates the child break. Now this woman can't do this barbaric kind of acts like that. She can't do one way her mouth safe. They take heavy to talk about her. Wait see they happen with ladies out there. Because now often you get the guts for take do what you do. My people, as soon as they see the pikin body, in fact, it go shocktalize all of una, because this one, as per the story where the narrator, this woman like this no can get heart, because no be the first time this way she can't do this one. They even can't let us understand, say, one time like that, my people, she carry hot water, take put on top that child body. Wow. The child body can't they born anyhow. She carry and go church, my people. They can't they ask and say, wait, can't they do this child? Wait, burn this child like this, my people. This woman, she's a bit lie. She said, now that child was sorry, the child don't want man to go carry him back. Now the water take and burn the child like that. So now the child burn herself. If they say even the pastor for the church, they won't come over investigate, come they ask and say, what did they happen? True, me won't know the truth about the matter. My people, they say she can't raise her voice. They ask man of God, say, you know more than me. Now me they live with this child for house. I did tell when I say now she by mistakenly pour hot water for her body where she won't use bath. The water be too hot. My people, as soon as they look the pikin body like this, when they see traces for canes, we don't fluctualize this pikin, as in it don't just make the pikin body no resemble 10-year-old. As soon as they see like this, my people, young girl, where you carry your heart take put, and you na mother, my people. I see that in there. If you not come they hear my voice, not gonna say I know just they enjoy. In fact, my liver can't it just can't rise, because this lady like this, see what she do for 10-year-old pikin. Now what it take happen before a lot of people take no, my beautiful people. Now say when that child break the plate, she can't put pepper on top hot water, can't try for the child body. As soon as they take the see like this, take sterilize the child, make the child can't drink, and now why wanna see that burns like that for that child mouth. And then she can't notice, say, this one now the wound don't serious, so it can't be like this child like this. If he go RIP now, them my people, she carry her body, go chemist. Say me chemist can't help her. Chemist say carry this pikin go hospital. She said she know they do now. There the chemist can't shout out. Say me population can't come out. Now there they can't arrest the lady when they take the see like this. If this one no be say person no get heart for him body, then I'm waiting my people. I don't know what to think about this particular matter, because the matter just they pain me. But make could write for comment section what to think about this matter, because they ask the matter get as it. If you now woman out there can't they do this one, it no go better for you. Yes, my people, make we die for the next one. My people, this next one when I can't see live on our screen, these are broads that don't constructalize us. I said it don't come give us detail for how it take the collect waiting no be own. It take the spin around there. It say they can't go your shelter like that. Can't they ask you one thing where no can get sense for before you, but because say bat market take day and sapa take day na square, my people, you go won't say by all means. He say as you they take the concentrate for take say for her. Now so it they take use polythene back take collect your phone, my people. I go leave una the video by una self make una watch because this one like that it take just give na details of how they take collect people things so it go help a lot of people make they come be reasonable when clients can stand before them. But before me I leave una the video, my beautiful people, make una watch by una self. If you dare here you never subscribe to this channel, what you they wait for? Please do me a favor by clicking on that red subscribe button. Turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video you go be amongst the first to be notified. If you like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Write your comments on the comment section what you think about this. Share with your friends and family, let them know what is happening in the world, and I'll see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love. Thanks for supporting.
My name is Olajide. This is how I stole phone. Wherever I enter any shop, wherever I enter any shop to stole phone, I will ask them that how much is table water. They will tell me that it's 100 naira, table water is 100 naira. I will say, you give me 4 table water into 8 places, and I will use this nylon to cover their phone. But this is not the type of nylon, it's poly bag I used to use. I will use it to cover the phone. So the woman will be busy on his market that want to sell market 8 pieces for me. I will not tell the woman that I'm coming, I want to go and buy Paco bag. I will not use that this nylon cannot carry it. I will not use this nylon to carry the phone. To take this phone. The day I take it, I move. The woman will think that I'm still coming back with Paco bag to pack my phone.
How many phones do you steal in a day?
In a day, like today now. No, in a day I used to take one before my brother.